All right, let's dive right in. Today, we're looking at how some ambitious, fast-growing companies are punching way above their weight class. And they're doing it with Azure AI to get some, truly incredible results. So, let's get into it.
Here's the question I think is on everyone's mind. Is game-changing AI only for the giants? Do you really need a massive budget and this huge team to innovate? It definitely feels that way a lot of the time, right? Well, the stories we're about to see, they're going to challenge that idea completely.
For a growing business, the hurdles are they're real. You've got limited budgets, maybe a pretty lean IT team, and you're trying to manage this patchwork of different tools that can really, really slow you down. But this is exactly where Azure comes in and just flips the script. It lets you start small so you can keep costs in check. It gives you low-code tools to empower those small teams, and it unifies everything on one platform, so you're not juggling a dozen different services anymore. And that's the whole promise, right? It's this one integrated platform that basically acts as a bridge. It connects that big ambition you have with the reality of the resources you actually have to work with. Okay, so how does Azure actually make all this happen? Well, it really comes down to a few core building blocks. Think of them as the foundation that everything else is built on. Now, this isn't just some random list of products, okay? These are the essential tools in the toolkit. So first, you've got the AI platform, Microsoft Foundry, which is basically your command center for managing all your AI apps. Then there's GitHub Copilot for AI development. This is a game changer for helping your coders write code way faster. And of course, underneath it all, you need powerful databases like Cosmos DB and SQL for all your data, and solid application services to make sure everything actually gets deployed and runs without a hitch. Okay, theory is great and all, but proof is what really matters, right? So now, let's see how real companies are using these exact tools to win. The results are pretty amazing.
All right, first up, we've got a case study that is just a masterclass in efficiency. We're talking about taking a process that used to take hours and shrinking it down to minutes. Seriously.
The company we're looking at is called Assembly Software. They're in a legal tech space, so they build solutions for law firms and legal pros. So what was their big challenge? Well, it was a classic problem, especially in the legal world. Pretty much everything was manual and slow. We're talking drafting documents, reviewing cases, all of it. It was disconnected, and it was just crushing productivity for the law firms they work with. So what was their winning formula? It was actually pretty straightforward. First, they used the Foundry platform as the core for their new AI solution, which they called NeoZai. Then, they gave all their engineers GitHub Copilot to totally accelerate their development. And finally, they used Azure's databases and app services as the scalable backend. See? It's a perfect example of just pulling those core building blocks together. And the result? Wow. Just look at this. A process that used to take 40 hours now takes just minutes. That's not just an improvement. That is a total ground-up transformation of how they work. And listen to this quote from their CTO, James Garrett. He talks about trust and having a comprehensive platform. And you can see why that's so important, right? Especially when you're dealing with sensitive legal data. Okay, that was amazing. So for our next case study, we're shifting gears a bit. This one isn't just about making things faster. It's about handling massive, explosive growth without everything falling apart. And we're talking about a company called Writesonic. They have an AI platform that helps people create marketing and SEO content. So here's their problem. Their user base just exploded, which sounds like a great problem to have, right? But their old cloud platform just couldn't keep up. They were dealing with instability, and they couldn't get their hands on the latest AI models fast enough. This was a huge threat to their ability to scale. So their winning formula was all about stability and speed. With Foundry, they got almost instant access to the newest AI models. For their database, they used Azure Database for Postgres to get that incredible 5 nines, 99.999% availability. And then they used Azure Kubernetes Service, or AKS, which is basically a way to automatically manage and scale their apps whenever they get huge spikes in traffic. And the outcome? Again, just wow. A 10x increase in their enterprise revenue. 10 times. That just goes to show you what's possible when your tech foundation is solid enough to handle your biggest ambitions. And their founder and CEO, Samanu Garg, really nails it here. He says they get stability, reliability, and data privacy with Azure. And for them, those aren't just buzzwords. They're what allows them to move faster and give the absolute best to their customers. So you see the crucial point here, right? These aren't just isolated, lucky wins. It doesn't matter if you're trying to get more efficient, like Assembly Software, or scale for massive growth like Writesonic. These results happen because they built on the right foundation.
Okay, so let's break this down. Why did they succeed? What are the key takeaways here that you can maybe apply to your own path to AI?
It really all boils down to these four things. One, having a unified platform so you get all your models and tools in one place without having to stitch things together. Two, it's developer friendly, letting your team use tools they already know and love, like GitHub Copilot. Three, you get flexible deployment so you can scale your apps globally, in the cloud, wherever you need them. And four, it is secure by default. That's table stakes these days. It's non-negotiable.
And that really brings us to the final and maybe the most important question for you. After seeing what's possible here, turning 40 hours into a few minutes, getting a 10x boost in revenue, you really have to ask yourself, what part of my business is ready for that kind of transformation?